Arubas.
Okay, this might be a little difficult to film because I'm all by myself here, but we're gonna try to get Miss Zulu chasing her toy. Give it up. Come on. Oh, I got it. Ready? Go. There you go. Get up here. Good. And Zinja's got his stick. You got your stick? Oh, I got your stick. I got your stick. You want your stick? Ready? Oh, it's gonna get you. It's gonna get you. There's your stick. There it is. Oh. It's gonna get you. Oh, you got it. Oh. He's got it and I can't get it back. Oh no. Oh, I got it. Ready? Go. Go, Zinja, go. He got his stick back. Yeah. Yeah, you thought you had it, but now I got it again. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Oh, look at him. He's like, I'm gonna get it. All right, ready? Stick cam. Here we go. Ready? Set. Hi, Zulu. Oh, I got your toy again. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? I got your toy. You want this? Yeah, you ready? Go. Come on. There we go. I got your toy again. This is really hard to film with an iPhone because it's so tight. But let's see if we can get him to run one more time. Ready? He's looking over her toy like, I want that toy, Daddy. You can't have her toy. You got your toy. No, you done with the stick? Okay. Zinja's done with the stick. We're gonna have to get another toy. Let's go get another toy. Okay. Let's try this one. How about this one, Zinja? You want this one? What do you think? You like that one? Oh, you can't have that. Oh, no, he wants it. Ready? This boy gets bored easily. He needs new toys every 5 minutes. Rah, give me that. Give me that toy. Give me that toy. Rah, boom. Oh. There you go. Oh, nice jump. Hi, Zulu. I'm going to get your toy again. Oh, I got it. Yeah, you think you can have it, but you can't. Because I'm going to throw it. Are you ready? Oh. Go. Okay, now you're done with that toy and it's time for another one, right? I know how this works. Well, he got a new toy. How come I don't get one? Okay. Let's go pick a new toy for Zulu. How about the pink one? Oh, look at that face. Like, ooh, what is that? Uh-oh. Hey, nobody invited you to this party. Get over there to yours. Go on. That's a different video called He Wants Them All. Hey Baruboos fans, thanks for watching all the way to the end. Make sure you hit that like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please hit that button too. And don't forget the bell so that you'll get the notifications and you won't miss out on all the fun.